about our nature, where the process takes place from the sun, evaporation, leaves the water bodies, the water evaporates, then as it goes to the layers of the atmosphere, there occurs condensation because when the decrease in temperature, then we have precipitation. Again, we have this continuation called water cycle, which is non-stoppable. Like it is every day's routine work. Thank you.
Let's give a big.
Some teachers have drawn three hours here or teachers were here in constructions. Mainly depends on installations, constructions, where this house is built with features. One is triangle, square, rectangle, parallelogram.
Real life situations.
Real life, because without installation and construction is not possible. We actually need the measure at every angle, cutting, piercing, everything match is there for construction. Then another example is pizza, where here teacher is trying to explain the segment arc. So from the center, if we are cutting a slice, it's become a sector. And if we cut in another portion, just like a straight line, it becomes segment. Here, the peripheral position in that makes a circumference. So in that peripheral position, we have two things. One arc that is minor, and the larger one is the major arc.
When they are eating pizza, they can remember what is the sector.
Yes.
Sector.
Yes. Without teaching, they can remember for long time when eating.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the radius, this is the arc. So this is pizza, what piece of the pizza, not something. We have to eat means they can remember at that time. So it should be remembered for long time. Like that. Real life situations very inculcate. And also your role play also there. Based on the topic we can do that.
Here, one tree is there, where one bird has nest, just in the shape of an oval. Oval is also one of the shape. And this shape of this peripheral tree is representing a semicircle. Half of the circle is known as semicircle. Here, one football we have drawn for 3D structure, that is sphere. Sphere is there. And one bird we have drawn here to represent some angles and stars, which are 4 or 5 sided figures. Acute angle, right angle, just now we have seen the other sides, what is the angles that represent. So here is the part of the tail of the bird is acute angle, right angle. So these are the simple basic structures of geometrical shape for mathematics. In an interesting way to learn is the life chemical section.
Vada, round, jalebi, rectangle, Mysore bar, but maybe they are using for kindergarten because small children more interested for international. I requested them, maybe they are going to do that.
Very good.
Actually, it should be applicable for according to 2020 SEP.
Okay, this is the kindergarten presentation. This is the state. Why when we introduce the basic section for state, we use it like this, emojis, and we are presenting on the board. That time children will be attractive and they will be happy to understand the concepts. These are common right pictures. With pictures, children can easily identify the numbers and easily they can learn.
You should sing, dance, song, something, huh? Everyone should be full of life.
Madam, actually, one madam is prepared today capsicum rice. That's why she made that capsicum.
From this, different object means also it comes from like there is a food or vegetable that child can answer. Whether it is a new class, she or he, they can answer. Whether it is a Madhuna class, from making the questions also, answer easily they can give the answers now. And this is not hard. And it's just by students, they are not able to find out what is there in this. By seeing the picture, they think only this is someone else they are sitting on the chairs like that. But then the teacher can explain them here many shapes are there in this now. The rectangular shape, square shape, like many are there. From this, try to understand them now. Thank you so much.
Madam, small question. What about the issue? Yeah. From that, we can bring out this song. Adugudo, adugudo, we have to make, because small kids they have to, then allow them to decision make. Either you have to become like that or like this. Through maths.
Yes, like your children. I was expecting some song and dance.
ಒಂದು ಓಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಸವನ್ನು ಎಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ತಿಳಿ ಪಾಯಸ ನೀರಿಟ್ಟು ಓಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಸವನ್ನು ಏಕಾಗ್ರತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರು ಅವುಗಳ ಊಟವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿದರು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಊಟವನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸಿದರು. ಊಟ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಎಲೆ ಅಡಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ತಾಂಬೂಲವನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಂಗದಿ ಎಲೆ ಅಡಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ಅಗದರು. ಆಹಾ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತ ಅವುಗಳ ಊಟವ ಹೊಗಳಿದರು. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಡಿದರು. ಇದು ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಅಪ್ಪರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಚೌಕಿಯ ಪ್ರತಿಮೆಗೆ ಆಡಿಯ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಸಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯನ್ನೇ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದರಾಗೆ ಕಾರಣದ ಕರಿಂದ ಸಹಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನವೀನತೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ನಾನು ಕನಸ ಕಂಡೆ ಕಾಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಗುಣಿತದಿಂದ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆಯಾಗಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದರ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ತನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.